Welcome to Good Food. In this video we are going to see how to make crispy deep fried pasta. It's a simple recipe with a few simple steps. We need to boil the pasta. For 150 gram of pasta, I'm using 2 cups of water, roughly 480 ml. Bring the water to boil. Then add the pasta to the boiling water. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and half spoon of salt. Half spoon of salt. Cook the pasta for 8 minutes. Don't overcook the pasta as it will spoil the crispness of the fried pasta. So make sure to remove the pasta in 8 minutes. Now mix the corn flour with the pasta, boiled pasta. Make sure it's mixed properly. Now it's time to add the seasoning to the fried pasta. Make sure to fry the pasta until it gets a golden brown color. You can see the golden brown color. So I got the seasoning. My seasoning is paprika, pepper, black pepper, red chili powder, salt. Adding them to the pasta. Add this seasoning to your taste, and you can even try different seasoning flavors. Like you can add chaat masala or garam masala. This is the crispy deep fried pasta snack. Can be served ready. Can make this for the kids during the school holidays or weekend evening snack. Hope they will enjoy the snack.
It's good. It tastes good. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. Bye!